Over the years, I've repeatedly made clear that we would take action within Pakistan if we knew where bin Laden was. That is what we've done. But it's important to...
I couldn't be more proud.
קיים עדיין משטר שרשב